Hey guys, welcome back to the show. I'm Mark from mksenglish.com. Today we're talking about something millions of people around the world enjoy every day video games. Whether you play Fortnite, Minecraft, League of Legends, or any other game, you've probably heard English words that don't appear in traditional textbooks. Gamers often develop their own vocabulary, and if you understand these words, you'll have a much easier time communicating online and understanding English speaking players. In today's episode, you'll learn some of the most common video game English expressions used by gamers around the world. Let's jump into the game. First word, level up, meaning to improve your skills, ability, or status. My character leveled up after completing the quest. This phrase has become very common even outside gaming. Next, noob. A noob is an inexperienced player. For example, I'm still a noob at this game. Be careful here. Depending on the situation, it can sound friendly or insulting. The next word, spawn. Spawn means to appear in a game after starting or restarting. The example sentence, I spawned near the castle. Many survival and battle games use this word constantly. All right, next, grind. To grind means to repeat activities to gain experience, money, or rewards. For example, I spent 3 hours grinding yesterday. Most gamers know that feeling, and I'm sure you, as an English studier, know that feeling as well. All right, next word, loot. Loot refers to items, treasures, weapons, or rewards collected in a game. Example, we found some great loot. Many online games revolve around finding better loot. Next, quest. A quest is a mission or task. The example for this would be, I finished the main quest. You'll hear this word in almost every role playing game. Next, buff. A buff is an improvement that makes a character stronger. For example, the update buffed this character. Gamers often use this word when discussing game updates. The next word is nerf. Nerf is the opposite of buff. A nerf makes something weaker. For example, the developers nerfed that weapon. Players often complain when their favorite items are nerfed. All right, next, lag. Lag is a delay caused by connection or performance problems. Sometimes happens in online lessons as well. But here's the example sentence for that. The game is unplayable because of lag. And I think every online gamer has experienced this at some point. All right, the next one I think is kind of funny. Rage quit. A rage quit happens when someone becomes so frustrated that they suddenly leave the game. Don't rage quit. Try again. This expression is common in competitive gaming. All right, I'm going to finish up with the last one, which, in my opinion, is my favorite one, GG. Now, in Japan, GG means, well, old man, grandpa. But in gaming, GG stands for good game. You might often hear GG everyone or that was fun, GG. It's a polite way to show respect after a match. All right, so let's practice, okay? Listen and repeat. I was grinding quests when I found some amazing loot. Again, I was grinding quests when I found some amazing loot. One more time. I was grinding quests when I found some amazing loot. Excellent. I want to leave you with one final thought. Video games are actually a fantastic way to learn English. Gamers read instructions, listen to dialogue, communicate with teammates, solve problems, and interact with people from all around the world. Many ESL learners improve their English naturally through gaming. So the next time you play your favorite game, pay attention to the English that you hear. You might be learning more than you realize. Thank you for listening to today's episode from mksenglish.com. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep grinding, and keep leveling up your English. See you guys next time. Bye.